Today my off duty.
Okay.
I need video for uploading my YouTube channel. How are you? Ito yung chicks boy namin sa company namin, no? Ayan siya.
I'll take 200 year per month.
Aywa.
Hello? Boy, check boy.
Happy guys.
Sige sir. Okay, okay. Sige sir. Okay, okay.
Uwi na kami ngayon guys. Ayan, no? Ang bilis ng biyahe namin, no? Ang bilis ng takbo namin.
Hindi naman.
Ayun, no?
Basta ka na mama.
Oh. Kunti lang kami sa service namin, ayun. Walang kataw-tao. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan siya, kaibigan ko. Machibay, say hi. Salary coming? No coming? Shit. Ganda din ang building nila, ano?
Sino kasi sino? Sino?
Machibay, eating outside? Okay. Sure, ha? Oh. I'm thinking you eating outside. Eating outside or no? Oh. Final decision?
100%.
100%, ha? But you happy today?
No happy.
Why?
I pay God. That's it.
Your salary.
Only God will.
Sadik, nagpa-follow up siya kay Tuker. Sabi niya kay Tuker, sabi niya, "Sir, no salary until now." Sabi daw ni Tuker sa kanya, mag-pray ka na lang sa Panginoon. Nasahuran ka.
Token mafi bili mano.
Oo. Inshallah kaming salary Machibay.
Yeah, within the traffic. Today coming I go Patha.
Ho, sawa-sawa?
Sawa me, but
Only one people?
maybe operation bala
Ah,
mafi tak surat.
you already have money.
Operation.
Aywa, operation. No need salary because you already have money. 1,000 real. You go now?
Tomorrow dio.
Ah,
Tomorrow go. Tomorrow 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock go?
1 o'clock.
Your schedule for
Appointment.
ah?
Appointment.
Appointment.
Ah. 1 hour.
1 hour, ah?
Dr. Ajat.
Machibay,
Ah.
maybe put injection, but then you die.
Yes.
But who people take your salary? No problem, Machibay. I like it. Okay, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Bye-bye.